Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I am KeaShundrea. So I want to give y'all a little update. I've been saying that I wanted to get serious on YouTube for like forever. Posted little videos here and there, but nothing was as consistent as I am right now. So first of all, I'm so proud of myself. So hand claps for that. I've realized the benefits posting on YouTube for my business and outside of that for my own personal reasons. If you've been following on my road to 1K, and I'm almost at that 200 mark, almost there in a little over a month. My goal was to get monetized by the end of the year. It's still not out of the question. It's absolutely possible, but I am learning a lot of things about YouTube. Why am I starting to get serious on YouTube now? For me, as a business owner myself, but also as a content strategist and working with other people on their businesses, I'm seeing that YouTube is the only platform that caters to longevity and long-term growth when it comes to your personal brand and your business. If you're looking to 5 years from now, have somebody basically check your credentials in the online space and what you've been doing, you can send them to your YouTube channel, and years from now, stuff that you post on your YouTube channel will tell them a little bit about you and add a little bit of credibility, especially if you're using YouTube as an educational platform and you're showing how you do the things you do, your behind the scenes processes, tutorials, all that kind of stuff. So when I thought about using YouTube, I'm using YouTube to post the evergreen content. I'm multi-passionate, so I never know where I'm gonna be. 2 years from now, I could be on a whole nother journey. I know that I am making myself familiar for certain things. So I want to have something to direct people to. I'm doing this with my YouTube and with the content within my brand as well, classes and trainings and things that I'll present in my membership community. Because I'm thinking of the long-term growth and everything being evergreen, YouTube is the perfect platform for that. No other platform is going to circulate your content years from now. If you're looking for long-term growth, YouTube is the platform that you need to put on the front end of your content strategy. YouTube is absolutely changing my whole viewpoint on building a brand, getting me to see that the short form content is just there to make people aware of you. But if you're looking to book more people, if you're looking to actually build more connections, long form content is going to help you with that. Build trust with people. People can see how you are in a short 30-second to 1 minute clip. Nobody's going to be able to get a real feel for who you are and how you do things. This is why I love YouTube. If you've gone through my channel and watched some of my videos, then you know that KeaShundrea Create, this is a whole new thing for me. If you know me personally outside of YouTube, you know that Photos and Phases is where I started my entrepreneurship journey, my photography company, and I decided to do something silly and start all over with my own personal brand. So that means a new email list, that means new products, new services, like literally building everything from the ground up all over again. And YouTube has helped me with that. My email list has grown. I've been talking about a lot of my offerings and talking about some of my free products. They're good products. So people have actually been getting those products. You can check out some of those products down below if you're looking to grow your brand online. I'm sure there's going to be something there that can help you out. We all have this idea of how we see ourselves, the life that we want to live. I like posting on YouTube because it serves as a little bit of accountability for me as I'm going on this journey and I'm sort of reinventing myself. I'm becoming a whole new person. I'm able to document that journey. So I'm loving that here. For the most part, you're seeing a lot of educational content because I'm a business owner. I also want to lay down that foundational content to position myself as somebody that you can come to when it comes to certain topics. So there is a lot of educational content, but I like to show y'all who I am while I'm reinventing myself. I can see myself evolve as I look back on these videos, and y'all can watch the journey too. That's the beauty creating content for platforms like this one. And I'm getting so much more comfortable getting all of these ideas out into the real world. I'm not looking for anything to be perfect. I'm not letting any fears or any doubt come in between me doing this. I'm not comparing my journey to anybody else's and what they have going on. A lot of the times we'll get caught up in the follower count. So many people get caught up in virality, wanting to have whatever amount of subscribers, followers. You got to start and create the content for you first. You can get there, but you're not going to get there if you stop yourself from creating. The people that are there already, they started here creating the content before their life actually looked like what they wanted it to be. Self-concept, adding a little bit more to manifestation versus you thinking the thing and you speaking the thing, you actually putting in action to become that person that you actually want to be. So this video is going to be added to the Road to 1K playlist so we can all see how it goes. I said my goal was 4 months. Let's see how this goes in 4 months. I'm already up almost 100 subscribers in a month. And this is really good considering, like I said, I started this channel in 2019, 2020, and I was stuck at 80 something subscribers for a very long time. Now I want to talk about some of the things that I've noticed and how this could probably help me to grow my channel and help you to grow your channel as well. You have people that want to watch your content. You have to get people interested before they actually get to the content. What your thumbnails look like, they have to be eye-catching. They have to have some contrast. They have to pop out. Your titles. First, I was going the route of doing like how-to content for my educational videos. And for my last couple of uploads, I changed it up a little bit and made the titles a little bit more conversational, like I'm talking to somebody. I've noticed that those have gotten a lot more views. Make it interesting. Just think about the experience for the people that are on the other side of the screen. So people that are already subscribed to your channel and they get notifications. You want them to come back and watch your videos. It's going to pop up on their phone while they're scrolling on their phone, or they're going to go through all of the notifications, and yours is going to stick out if it's more conversational. And the same thing for YouTube's browse speed. YouTube has a period of times that they'll push out your video to the home screen of different users within YouTube. So if your thumbnail and your title is more conversational and it sticks out and it's high quality, that's going to help people to actually click on the video. It doesn't matter if you have good content if nobody is clicking on the video. You can use the same pictures over and over as long as it stands out, as long as you're telling people what this video is going to be about and you're actually talking about something that people are interested in, which gets me into SEO. SEO is at the top of my strategy. This is what I use for my business and for people that I work with. I'm always going to recommend that you optimize your content. Talk about what you want to talk about. Create content that people actually want to see. If you don't know how to do that, the best way is to use SEO tools. So vidIQ is in my rotation. and I'm not letting it go. Answer the public, paying attention to what's on your home feed. When you go and use the search bar within YouTube, search specific topics, look at the subscriber count of the person posting that video, and then look at the views. If you look at the views and it's way higher, you know that that's a good topic. Anytime I'm discussing something, I'll go into vidIQ, do a little research on the topic and see what's mostly viewed, what questions people are asking, and then I'll take it back into YouTube, do a quick search, what kind of content is already being created on this, what thumbnail catches my eye, and what some of those statistics of the video are. Using vidIQ to add different tags, create my description, all of this information is being read by YouTube. If all of that information is related to what the video is going to be about, you have higher chances of that information being pushed out. But don't just rely on the algorithm to push your content. I have noticed that there are some videos that are being highly searched. I'll put that on the screen or down in the description. Get a little bit more information on creating SEO optimized videos. And like I said, I'm growing a business as well, so I can't leave you hanging. If you have absolutely no clue where to start and you need a little bit of help while you're growing your business and you want to be seen, felt, heard, and paid by your people online, I'll leave all the information down in the description as well. Get support on this journey. The membership community is opening soon. I have workshops and challenges going on. I have resources that can help you on this journey. My main thing is doing this while being sane without it taking over your whole life, having some work-life balance, and without it sacrificing your well-being. That's what I've noticed for YouTube. It's working. I'm growing. We're getting there. If you're here with me on this journey, thank you so much for being here. And hopefully this video is helpful for you when you're looking to grow your YouTube channel. And if you haven't posted the content and you want to get on YouTube, now is the time. Do not wait. Because as I said in the beginning, it is a long-term thing. You may not see growth right away. You're definitely not going to see the growth if you choose to post nothing. Hopefully this message did reach who it needed to reach. That's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more from your favorite brand and content strategists. I am KeaShundrea. Happy creating, y'all. I love y'all. Peace.